So let's consider this question. The first thing we're going to do is to do little construction here so that we'll get a triangle. So let me just redraw it. I have something like this. Where here is angle B, here is A, here is angle C. So look at the little construction now. Look at the little construction. You can see the shape very well now. We'll have a bigger triangle, we'll have a smaller triangle. So in this smaller triangle, let's call here Y, let's call here Z. Remember here from the question is X, and we are asked to make S the subject of the formula. It says in the figure above, find X in terms of A, B, and C. That means making S the subject of the formula. Now, considering the bigger triangle, okay, let's consider the bigger triangle. The bigger triangle is, okay, let's say larger triangle. The larger triangle, which is angle B plus A plus Y. The larger triangle, that's from here to here, plus the next one is C plus Z. The larger triangle, we have C plus Z. This is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Some angles in a triangle. Some angles in a triangle. So now let's consider the smaller triangle. The smaller triangle, which is this triangle. The angles inside will have X, Y, Z. So let's consider it. Considering the smaller triangle. Considering a smaller triangle, the angles inside is angle X plus Y plus Z equal to 180 degrees. The same reason, some angles in a triangle. So let me call this one equation 1 and this one equation 2. In equation 1 is equal to 180. Equation 2 is also equal to 180. That means we are going to equate the two. So equating the two now, we'll have X plus Y plus Z, that's in equation 2, is equal to B plus A plus Y plus C plus Z in equation 1. So let's cancel where necessary. Y cancels Y, Z cancels Z. Therefore, X is equal to, let's write it in alphabetical order, A plus B plus C. This is the answer. I've made S the subject of the formula. I think the correct option is A. Thank you. Bye.